Bros, how's it? Welcome back to the channel. We are back at doing lineup predictions because Kaizer Chiefs are playing tomorrow against Polokwane City. Hopefully it will be a good game for Kaizer Chiefs, the best team in Africa who recently destroyed, humbled and embarrassed Stellenbosch FC. Okay, we're here for the lineup predictions now, but we're gonna start with a lineup last game. This is how Kaizer Chiefs lined up in the previous game. In the game they played against Stellenbosch. Okay, this was the lineup 4-4-2. A lineup I did not expect. Okay, up front Shabalala and Hlongwane. How did they do, bros? I missed the game. How did this combination, did it work? Shabalala, Hlongwane, and then Ncwabo behind them passing the balls, and also Cele there. How did it work? Did this work? Let me know in the comments. Okay, why did I miss the game? One guy who did not watch my previous video is probably gonna ask, bro, I'm still watching football using Showmax, and that day I had no internet and I could not watch it, so I kind of missed the game. So I'm gonna be asking you guys a lot of questions based on how you saw the game. Let me know in the comments. Okay, this was the lineup, ne? Okay, I'm here to talk about one thing here. Miguel, our captain. In my previous videos, I've been complaining about his discipline. Again, he gets a yellow card. He gets a yellow card again. Let me know what happened. Did he deserve the yellow card, or the ref was being unfair? Sometimes those things happen. Too harsh towards a player. Did Miguel do something? Was he aggressive towards another player? Bro, we cannot be preaching about this each and every game. Miguel, you are the captain. Lead with discipline. You are the captain. The team needs you in each and every game. Getting these cards, getting booked each and every game is not going to help the team, because now the team is going to go a couple of games without their captain. You could miss important matches. You're going to miss them. Come on, Miguel. Is he going to play in this game that we are playing against Polokwane City? Because I think Mo told a yellow card, you missed the next game. Is he gonna play or not? Let me know in the comments, guys. How does the yellow card work? I used to know it. I don't know how. Wait, do you miss the game after getting 2 yellow cards in 2 games in a row, or you just missed the game after you got a yellow card? Will Miguel play tomorrow? Let me know in the comments, guys. So we're gonna be doing the formation. Let's move on. I think I shouldn't speak about this formation a lot, because we already won the game. Okay, we here, bros. We here. Lineup prediction for a game yaksasa, Kaizer Chiefs versus Polokwane City. Okay, let me erase this. Yeah, good. Okay, we're gonna start from scratch, bros. As you guys saw, Kaizer Chiefs in our previous game, they played the 4-4-2, and this is the default formation here. 4-4-2. Should I change it? Should I change the formation to something else? Hey, game. I could not watch a game because of the issues I had. Now I don't even know how to line up my team. But if Kaizer Chiefs were to change, let's not make the same thing. I'm gonna go back to my formation, the formation that Kaizer Chiefs usually use. Okay, let's do it. Let's do this one, and then I need to change the color, of course. Put a Kaizer Chiefs color in Jan. Let me do this one. Okay, yeah. Jersey number, no. Lama numbers, they only doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me just don't show the number. Yeah, here we go now. We're here to make a lineup here too. Okay, we're gonna start with who? Peterson. Did he play well in our previous game? He didn't concede. So I'm thinking to myself, that's impressive. He didn't concede. Kodwa ke abanye bayakhala ngokuthi ibhola bese sisindela nje ngokuthi lishaye epalini. I saw on Facebook some comments and other social media platforms people commenting about Kaizer Chiefs besizwa ipali. But yeah, I'm hoping Peterson is getting back to the old Peterson who was coming up, who ended up being the goalkeeper in the first team. Okay, we move on to the right back, Monyane, of course. He has been impressive. Miguel, is he gonna play? Bros, if Miguel does not play, I'm gonna put Uzita Kane. If Miguel does not play, because he has a yellow card, I'm not sure if he's gonna play. But if he's gonna play, siyazi ukuthi ngibandla Miguel, of course. And then Eden, who has been very impressive, got the Man of the Match award in that game against Stellenbosch. Good. It's good to see Eden being in this form. We need him. We need him, especially with Rushin Dotl injured. He is really. Is it Rushin Dotl? Yeah, it's Rushin Dotl. He has really stepped in and became that guy when we really needed someone at that position. And I'm hoping he's gonna continue even when Rushin Dotl comes back. I'm hoping he's gonna continue to fight, create that competition among the two, and then I'm hoping also the coaches are gonna be fair. If the Eden deserves to play him. If Dottle deserves to play him. Good competition. Okay, we move on. Cross, I'm gonna put him again, bro. I'm gonna put him again. I didn't see Ushinga, so I can't really know what to expect from him. So Cross, I didn't hear anything on the internet, anything bad about his performance on the internet. So I'm using what I heard from you guys. I told you in my previous video that please let me know what you think about the game, and I think one brother of mine in the comments did comment and tell me about his analysis of the game, how he saw the game. So I'm gonna use all the comments I got and then whatever I saw on social media that I thought was solid. Okay, Cross, a lot of people were saying was solid. Okay, we move on into the midfield. So I've changed the formation there. Okay, okay, I'm gonna put who here. Who should I put here? Ucele, of course. And then who are we going to pair him up with? I'm putting Undlovu, bro. Again, I'm gonna put Undlovu. Abantu bathi he made he did something. He did something in that game. He got his debut, and then he did play well. Okay, on our wings, I'm gonna start with Lilepo. Lilepo has been impressive. By the way, Pule Modi, is he available now? Let me know in the comments. Is he available? You remember he got a red card. He was still serving the suspension. Is he available? I think if he's available, he should be played in the second half, in my opinion. And then on the right, I mean, who should I put? Duba or Villagas? I'm putting with Villagas, bro. Villagas. I always like it when my wingers are left-footed on the right. Right wingers should be left-footed. And Wandele Duba has been playing there, and he did have some good games, and I'm hoping the boy is gonna continue growing. But in this game, I saw him getting subbed off. I saw in the lineup he got subbed off. If you guys remember, let me show you in a minute. Wandele Duba got subbed off, and I'm thinking, what minute did he get subbed off by? I'm not sure. They did not write here. So I'm hoping I'm doing the right thing here. By putting Mfundo Vilakazi. Abantu abaningi on the internet, they said he played for 5 minutes, but he changed the game somehow. He did well. So I'm putting Vilakazi on the starting lineup of this game. Okay, we move on. Ethan Chislet is back, bros. He's back. But Shabalala and Ngobo have been impressive. Who do I put, Ngobo or Shabalala, in this position? Because this is my lineup now. I did not do a 4-4-2 formation. Why did I not do it, bruh? Because now These two guys, Ushabalala in this game and Ungcobo, were impressive. From what I saw from the lineup, I bought highlights, and from what I hear on social media, since I did not watch the game, these guys were very impressive. Who would you guys put? Let me know. Ngobo Shabalala, if Kaizer Chiefs were to line up this way, who would you put? Who would you sacrifice, put on the bench? Who? Let me know in the comments. Mna, I'm gonna put. Who I'm putting? Who? Bros, let me know in the comments. I'm putting Ungcobo. I'm putting Ungcobo. Ushabalala there in that game played as a striker, since they were playing a 4-4-2. So, in my opinion, Ungcobo, being the one who's dishing up the passes, he has been the best. He has been amazing. I'm hoping he's gonna do well. He's gonna continue to do well. So you guys, if we were to play this formation, I'm putting Ushabalala on the bench. If Ungcobo does not perform, second half, I'm putting Ushabalala in to replace Ungcobo. And then we hear, who are we gonna play? Naledi Hlongwane. Let me know in the comments, guys. Be honest. How did Naledi Hlongwane play in this game? Was he impressive? This boy, I like him. I'm not gonna lie. But let me know in the comments. How did he play in this game? Did he get any chances? How was his movement on and off the ball? Did he at least drop in deep, Maingaitoli baller, to do a hold up play and all that? Let me know in the comments. How did Naledi Hlongwane play? If he played well, I'm putting him on. I believe in him. Flavio Silva. If I think I should put Hlongwane again, bro. Hlongwane again. Hlongwane up front. I believe in this boy. I'm hoping the coaches are gonna continue to give him chances, because I believe the future of him is very bright, and he could really help Kaizer Chiefs in that attack. And he's very good. He's a very good striker, bruh. This young man, he's very good. He's a very good striker. Okay, Dupreez. Should I put Dupreez over Hlongwane? Maybe, because Dupreez wangena wadlala ngaphi. I think udlale la infake khona uMfundo Vilakazi. So let me know in the comments, bros. These are the disadvantages of not watching the game, bro. But I wanted to watch the game. But I could not watch the game because I had no internet. I need to pay DSTV. So bros, keep on subscribing to the channel. Keep on supporting the channel. Like the videos. It's important to like the video so that YouTube can recommend the video, bros. Like, comment so that we can grow. The effort, the DSTV, bros. Because this thing of watching football using the internet, these Showmax things, sometimes they are a disadvantage. Kanti mawubuka nje i-TV ayidlali nga-network. So yeah, guys, those are my predictions. This is my lineup predictions. Drop yours in the comment section. I want you guys to drop your own lineup prediction, because I know you guys watch football and I want to know your ball knowledge. We should know who has the best ball knowledge amongst ourselves. Correct each other in the comments. You guys are very much allowed to correct me here. So this is our channel. We're doing it all together. So yeah, man, this is the video. My predictions for the game, as in like Kaizer Chiefs are gonna win or lose. I think Kaizer Chiefs are gonna win this game by 2-1. Those are my predictions. Let me know of your predictions in the comments. Predict the lineup and then you predict the score.